Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be giving you guys a list of 5 things that you can do to your N20 to bring it up to 350 horsepower with only $1,500. First mod I recommend is a JB4 Tune. Running a JB4 Tune is just like Subarus and their Cobbs. You can't have a turbo BMW without a JB4. You can find these for $450 brand new or about $300 used, and you're looking to gain anywhere from 60 to 100 horsepower. Our next modification will be a VSRF Catless Downpipe. Replacing this means your turbos will spool faster, which means instant torque and higher boost pressures. This will also produce a more aggressive note on your exhaust, and you'll gain about 20 horsepower for $250. Next we'll be installing a front mount intercooler. This mod would ensure that you get consistent performance. By preventing heat soak, for $380, you'll be gaining about 15 horsepower. But the horsepower gain is not what we're looking for here. What we're really going for is consistent performance and reduced chance of engine knock. Next we'll be upgrading our intake, letting a little bit more air into the motor. The factory N20 intake box can't handle 350 horsepower, but with the new intake in it, you get better noise. Looking at only about 5 horsepower gain for $200, it may not be worth it, but it does give you something to look at when you pop your hood open. And just like the Catless Downpipe, you'll hear a little bit more aggressive noises coming from your motor. Alright, our fifth and final mod will bring our N20 to 350 horsepower. That's doing an E85 tune. With E85, we'll increase horsepower and torque. E85 also burns cooler, which reduces the chance of knock, and E85 is cheaper than gas. Though your MPGs will decrease, but that's going to happen anyways if you're riding 350 horsepower. The N20 fueling system can handle 40% E85, and with your JB4 Tune, you should be able to run an E85 map off of that, so there really is no cost to converting to E85. You're looking to gain about 50 horsepower. Make sure to maintain your N20s properly. They are known for not being the most reliable BMW turbocharged motors. And engine knock will be one of your worst enemies. With these mods, make sure to keep your boost levels to about 22 psi. If you decide to go beyond that, take a look at going with forged internals. Keep an eye on your air-fuel ratio. If your motor starts to lean out, you'll start getting some knock. And remember to keep up on your oil and coolant changes, even sooner if you drive aggressive. And before any hard driving, make sure to let your motor warm up properly. One advantage of the JB4 is before your engine gets into operating temperature, it will limit your boost levels until it's ready. And remember, N20s aren't meant to be track cars. So if you brake too hard, take a corner too sharp, you may starve the motor of oil. I appreciate you guys for making it this far in the video. If you can, please hit that subscribe button, that like button, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.